Good morning, it's Michelle Barham. I'm standing out here on my front patio just to give you a quick update. I'm about to leave the home to get started on some work here for my listings, and I'm just looking in the background here, seeing what's happening over there in the area where they're cleared the land and they're looking forward to doing some prep work from the land. And in the future, you'll see houses over there. The view has changed dramatically. So I'm just letting you know the updates. Quick update. It's a lot of action happening here at Valencia Golf and Country Club. So this is Michelle Barham coming to you again, beautiful Naples, Florida. You would love to live here in Naples, Florida. Beautiful beaches, lots of stuff to do. Kayak, go to the beach, go to the beautiful restaurants, gorgeous restaurants, of all types. So call me up, 954-483-5406. You have a blessed and beautiful day. See you soon.